Charles Darwin combined ideas about population growth with observations that individual organisms in nature differed from one another. Plant and animal breeders confirmed his observations. Some plants bear larger or smaller fruit than average for their species. Some cows give more or less milk than others in their herd. Farmers also told Darwin that some of these differences were inherited variations from the previous generation. Farmers used this variation to their advantage. They would select for breeding only trees that produced the largest fruit, or cows that produced the most milk. Over time, this selective breeding, which Darwin called artificial selection, would produce trees with even bigger fruit and cows that gave even more milk. In artificial selection, nature provides the inherited variations, and humans select those variants they find useful. Darwin tested artificial selection himself by raising and breeding plants and fancy pigeon varieties. Darwin had no idea how heredity worked or what caused inherited variation. But he did know that inherited variation occurs in wild species as well as in domesticated plants and animals. Before Darwin, scientists thought variations among individuals were simply unimportant, minor defects. Darwin made a breakthrough by recognizing that inherited variation was extremely important because it could provide raw material for a natural mechanism that could drive evolution. Finally, Darwin had all the information he needed. His scientific explanation for evolution was formed. When it was published, it would change the way people understood the living world.